Hello and welcome back to Out in the Loft at Buckland Junction. This is part 2 of my landscaping. This is the staircase coming down the cliffs. My tunnel entrance I think is ready to install now. I can weather it. While it's actually on the layout, because I've got lots of weathering and painting to do. So I keep going on eBay late at night after having many beers, and look what the postman's brought today. Come on, Hymek, bring her around. Here comes the Hymek. Here she comes. Here's the Hymek. I brought 1, 2, 3, 4 Teck LNER Thompson coaches. They are in lovely condition. These are trying, I believe, so they're quite old. And look what else I've got. Oh, excuse the camera work. Off you go, Hymek. Go on. 1, 2, 3 Southern Region coaches. They happen to come off the same person, off the same eBay seller. They're in really nice nick. I think these are trying as well, but they're lovely condition. They do show wheel marks of doing some running, but I can't find anything wrong with them at all. So that gives me a rake of 5 Southerns. Yeah, a rake of 5 Southerns now. Hymek's stalled for some reason and he's in the tunnel, so okay, we'll put this lot away and carry on with the scenic stuff. It's just that I must stop going on eBay late at night after a few beers, because I forgot about these until the postman left a note saying there's something in the garage for me. So back in a moment. Here we go. 4 Triang NER Thompson coaches, Teeks, including postage, $18.99, and 3 Southern Region Caledonian coaches, $16.99. And as Barry Davis says, there's some nice people involved in Model Railway. Look what they've done. They sent me £2 combined postage charge. They sent me £2 because I bought 2 lots. How about that? Isn't that lovely? Half an hour on. That's really quite quick. I should imagine that, you know, if I lived in Nottinghamshire, where you've got some really nice dark rocks poking out the ground, I would use a black paper or a dark grey paper. This could easily be rocks, but it's not. It's just soft old chalk. So yeah. And the Hymek, I was really pleased. The Hymek done a whole circuit of the branch line with 7 carriages on, even up the incline. She did struggle, but yeah, it's turned out to be a really good locomotive, the Hymek. 7 carriages, brilliant. Back in half an hour. Okay, another half an hour, 3/4 of an hour on. We're coming over the tunnel top. I'm happy with that. When it's dry, I can trim the top edge off, and I've just got to sort this piece out here. I'm waiting for it to dry, so I can't really touch anything for them. Gonna go for me dinner and I'll be back to do some more. See you in a moment. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day. That's my tunnel entrance in place. I found a home for my pillbox, and I'm quite happy with the cliff. It's a bit patchy. There's some brick paper or some kind of building papers to go in that piece there, and yeah, that's not bad for a day's work. Quite happy with that. you can see, well, I could point out the joins in the paper, but when I get the PVA and polyfiller on there, you won't be able to tell. So I've trimmed the top at the right angle, and then I'm going to do the top landscape there, and a bit of a row coming around and disappearing off across there. So I've got to do some cutting. So that's how in the loft. That's the end of this COVID video. I'm going to go and put it up on YouTube, and well, see you tomorrow for some more action, for some more progress. Take care for now. That's Alan in the loft. Bye bye. Yeah, it's going to work okay. Bye bye.